Commuting from and to work may be the cherry on top of a really, really exhausting day. After all the work you put in the entire 9 to 5, you are still going to have to ride the bus home and get stuck in endless traffic just so you can slip into your pajamas and roll on your bed, only to be repeating the same routine the next day. What a bummer, right? Well, why travel when you can stay at the very comforts of your home while earning that living? Stay tuned, because in this video, we will be introducing websites that can help you make money, hassle-free, travel-free, any time of the day you want. Every day we spend hours on our phones and computers typing messages. Surely that's something we find relatively easy to do. Lucky for you, Rev.com pays you for transcribing any type of audio. What you're going to want to do is scroll to the bottom of the website until you spot the option that says Become a Freelancer. From there, you will be redirected to a page that you can sign up in for the job. The site displays a slogan that says Earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Below that are the perks you will be able to experience from signing up as a Rev freelancer. It claims you will be able to: Number 1. Create a flexible work schedule. With Rev, you will be able to choose how much or how little you want to work in a day. Number 2. Choose from hundreds of jobs. Rev has a variety of projects you can choose to work on. No more being forced to do workloads you have no interest in. Number 3. Get paid weekly. You will be able to receive your earnings via PayPal on a weekly basis. How great is that? Now, in order to sign up as a freelancer, you are going to have to scroll down the interface and you will be greeted with two options: A. Transcriptionist, and B. Captionist. A transcription job will offer you $0.30 to $1.10 per minute, while captioning will also offer the same range of pay. You are free to choose any from the two, but for today, we will be going with transcription. Once you click on the Learn More button, you will be taken to another page that gives you more information about the website that will be free to read. On top of the page, you will see a sign-up form. In order to become a freelancer under Rev, you should provide your first name, last name, email address, and the country you are from. Another great thing about this website is that they have a wide range of countries covered. So it doesn't matter if you are from the other side of the globe. Most likely, Rev has a space for you. Once you've finished the form and submitted, your account should get approved and you can now start transcribing. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. And now, going back. If you find for some reason Rev.com is not working for you, we have just the right alternative. GoTranscript.com is a similar website to Rev.com. Evident from the name of the site alone, they too will pay you for transcribing audio. On this website, you will be able to earn $1.80 for every 3 minutes of audio or video that you transcribe, for they offer to pay $0.60 per minute, along with the other benefits you can get that is also displayed on their page. To begin with, upon visiting the website, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the button that says Join us as transcriber. In order to begin with your application, click on the Apply Now button, where you will be given a drop-down option of language where you can choose what you prefer. Safe to say that the site is also open to accepting transcribers worldwide. Once you select the language of your choice, you will be redirected to another page where you can create your account without any charge at all for free. To complete, you are going to need to provide your email address and password. Click on the sign up button and you should be able to begin making money now. The mentioned websites are really helpful to get you started on ditching that everyday traffic and start working at home. Not only will you be able to relax on your favorite couch while petting your dog as you're working, you would also be able to choose your own personal schedule without any hassle. There is still a problem that we could be facing though. What if you can't hear the audio well and can't make out the words as a result? How are you going to transcribe now? Fear not, because your job just got a whole lot easier. For every problem, there is a solution. And the solution to this is GoTranscript.com. This website will transcribe that audio for you and you should be finished in no time. To begin the transcription of your audio, just click on the blue button on the interface of the website that says Start Transcribing. You will then be entering a page that consists of two blue option buttons at the top and a large white sheet in the body of the interface that writes, Enter your transcript here. The two blue options at the top selects to be Choose Audio or Video File, and below that is or YouTube Video. Click on the first option and you should be able to upload your assigned audio to transcript. If you need the link of the video in YouTube, you can click on the share button and it should give you the option to copy link. Once you've placed the link or uploaded the video file, the website should automatically transcribe for you. However, always remember that tools and websites like this won't be 100% accurate. You will still need to review the results to check for any available grammatical error that will need correcting, but they will most likely be minimal or close to none. It just gets easier and easier, does it not? Well, this is not the end just yet. We have a few bonus tips up our sleeves that will definitely make your work at home life better than it already is. Tip number 1. You may stumble upon translating foreign audios to put subtitles on them in English. This is not an impossible task even if you do not know anything about foreign languages. Just like GoTranscript.com, this website will automatically translate the audio you provide. Visit deepl.com on your computer and you can now translate any language to English or vice versa. Remember that translating to English to transcribe is more challenging than your typical transcribing. Hence, you will be paid more. Tip number 2. Do not stop at one website. Sticking to a single transcribing website is alright since you are guaranteed to earn more money either way. However, the fastest way to generate larger and more income is to sign up for both websites to be able to accept more projects. Remember, more projects mean more money. With all the tools provided to help you with your job, you will be able to make a lot of money in no time. The last and final tip we can give you is to subscribe to our channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will not definitely be the last time we help you earn money online. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!